Another little work party with David. New horn brackets, a couple other unfinished business things from last time, and a couple other new things. But we'll go ahead and gotta take the front bumper off again, which is always fun, but we'll get it done. Oh, this is going too early. Fabbing up new brackets. These were weak. These are much larger, much bigger. Give us much better clearance and room to fit these back here where they can be mounted properly and not all smushed up against that sweet, sweet ass bumper.
Being smushed up is bad.
Yeah, we don't want smushed. So we're working on some fabrication here. Luckily, David's a professional fabricator by trade, so
Among other things?
among other things, but yes, this is one of the things he does, and so professionals doing at-home work.
Professionals doing professional things at home.
Yeah. It's the best kind of work to do. Or beautiful, beautiful brackets. The whole goal is just to move these guys back a couple inches. And a couple inches we have achieved. A lot of work. Yeah. I mean, like, look at just the difference. It's ridiculous. This is tiny and wimpy. This
Feeble.
is big and
Hefty.
hefty. Wimpy, wimpy, wimpy.
Hefty, hefty, hefty.
If you're not having fun, it's not worth it. Fully fabricated bracket. Mount up like this in there. Just like he's doing right now. I don't have a ton of light on this situation. I have to get some more light. Be back. Yeah, so there's the mount. Now that you can properly see it. And after a quick polish, we've got a new finished horn bracket. Because if you're going to do something, you may as well do it right and way overdo it. Soldering, taping, shrink wrapping, heat wrapping, new cabling for a new front hook cam. Because David's old one is giving up the ghost. It's not working no more, and he can't have a knackered front lip because the camera's not working. That's no good. So this one's also a lot smaller, should hide up under there a lot nicer. It also seems a lot brighter. So we will go ahead and finish this up here and then get a couple last finishing touches on things and we'll be good to go. Waiting on paint to dry on our brackets just to keep them weatherproof. This will be for that little camera so we can get that finished mounting up to the bumper here. Luckily we were able to reuse this old bracket, just modify it a little bit, and this bitch will be on. We'll be good to go. And there we have it. Solid mounted horns. Hopefully, we hope, still hoping, they're far enough back. We believe they are. We're pretty sure they're far enough back. But you know what? We'll figure that out when we cross that bridge. Just sit back and admire the handiwork. Oh
Those are good.
Yeah. And they're moved way further back now. Not bad for a night's work.
Well, we did a few other things too.
Oh yeah. So we fixed up the little bracket, got it screwed into place, so the camera is mounted up and good to go back on the bumper. Now we just gotta make sure we are seeing what we need to see here, which is hopefully the bottom of this lip right here and a little bit in front of it. Just kind of want to see like right in here, so that way we make sure you're not hitting this on any curbs or anything like that. It's on.
Is it on right now?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. So I'm waving my hand in front of it. Weird things happening. Just as planned, they fit in there perfectly. Looks fantastic.